Welcome back guys, this is Mohammad Faizan, and in this lecture we are going to learn and we are going to understand what is a NFT, a non-fungible token. So you can see here a non-fungible token or NFT are pieces of digital content linked to the blockchain, the digital database underpinning cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Unlike NFT, those assets are fungible, meaning they can be replaced or exchanged with another identical one of the same value, much like a dollar bill. Move over Bitcoin. Ether is back and nipping at your heels. Move over Bitcoin. And the second point is NFTs on the other hand are unique and not mutually interchangeable, which means no two NFT are the same. So we can take the example, think of Pokemon cards, rare coins, or a limited edition pair of Jordan's NFTs. NFTs create scarcity among otherwise infinitely available assets. And there's even a certificate of authenticity to prove it. NFTs are typically used to buy and sell digital artwork and can take the form of GIF, tweets, virtual trading cards, images of physical objects, video games skin, virtual real estate, and more. Okay, we can say in other words, a image may be PNG, JPEG, or GIF. It can be a NFT. It can be converted into NFT. Okay, the artwork means, for example of artwork, it may be a GIF, JPG image, a video, PNG image, a tweet, or virtual trading cards, or images of physical objects. It can be a NFT, but after minting. Okay, before the minting, it called as a digital art. Okay. So what is minting? Minting means when we upload our artwork to the Ethereum blockchain, it called as minting. Okay. Now let's understand using of images. So here you can see what is NFT art. You can see here a image, a digital art piece, or a digital version of physical artwork. Okay. After uploading on a platform where we sell our NFT, for example OpenSea.io, Nifty Gateway, and Foundation, these all the website where we can sell our NFT artwork. So you can see here a minted word. Minted means is minted on the blockchain. The term of the agreement are written in the smart contract. Okay, so minting a digital artwork is uploaded to the blockchain is called minting. Okay, and a smart contract, a self-executing contract. After minting, our digital artwork is converted into NFT art and a non-fungible token is generated. You can see here in the third image. After minting, our artwork is converted into NFT art. So the non-fungible token is certifies a digital asset to be unique and therefore not interchangeable. So I hope so you got it. And here we can see some website to sell NFT art. You can see here OpenSea, Nifty Gateway, Super Rare, Foundation, Rarible, Maker's Place, NFT Showroom, and Decentraland. These are the famous NFT artwork websites where we can sell our NFT artwork. Okay. Here you can see an example of most expensive NFT from CryptoPunk, which NFT name is CryptoPunk 9998, bought for 124457.07 ETH, means Ethereum. So the total into the USD is 532 million USD dollar in 20th October 2021. Okay, let me show you on the website where these NFTs exist. So here in our browser, in our Chrome, you can see here I am on the browser and I already opened OpenSea.io. Okay, so on this website we can sell our NFT artwork, OpenSea.io, and here you can see some options: explore, states, resources, create. Okay, so let's go on states and let's go on ranking. Okay, here you can see the ranking of the collections of NFT artwork. You can see here on the first number Mutant App Yacht Club. Okay, and after this Bored Ape Yacht Club, and let find CryptoPunks. You can see here this is CryptoPunks. So I am going to open this collection. You can see the URL OpenSea.io collection, then CryptoPunks. Okay, and how can we see the highest sell NFT? You can see here the total trade 778.0k volume traded. Okay, so this time people earning lots of money after selling the NFT artwork. Okay, and you can see here some options: search single item, and open this item, and you can select highest last sell. Click on this highest last sell. Okay, you can see here highest last sell NFT from the CryptoPunks collection. You can see here CryptoPunk 998. This is the name of this NFT artwork, and you can see here 2 months ago. Okay, you can see here on 28 October 2021 this NFT is sold out in 1,24,457.0675 Ethereum. Okay, it is the very huge amount. Okay, let's pick on the collection and then click on volume traded. You can click here. Okay, let's click. And you can see the recent activities here. You can see just 3 hours ago NFT sold out in 61 Ethereum. Okay, you can see into the dollar $1,96. Okay, $1,96,985.47. Okay, and here you can see just before 5 hours ago this NFT sold out in 63 Ethereum. Let's see 1 ETH to USD. So you can see here 1 ETH is equal to 3,233 USD dollar. Okay, so let's see the 62. You can see here. Okay, after 3 hours the value of ETH is increased in USD. The value of ETH up and down in every minute. Okay, so I hope you got this. Let's go back on our presentation. Okay, so we have already seen this NFT on OpenSea.io. Now the next is, what is Metamask wallet? Okay, when we create a collection on OpenSea.io, we need a wallet. So the most popular wallet is Metamask. So you are looking to start an NFT collection. In order to actually store your collectibles, a wallet is necessary. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. In simple terms, once you buy Ethereum, you can access it through Metamask and use it to purchase and store NFTs. Now that you know what Metamask is, we will walk through a brief step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your wallet. Okay, when we will do practical, I will show you how can we use and how can we install Metamask wallet on our account. Okay, so I hope you got this. If you have any doubt, you can ask me the question. From the next videos, we will create artwork using a Photoshop. So using a Photoshop, we will create 10,000 plus NFTs, not the NFTs, we can say the artwork. Okay, we will create 10,000 plus artwork using a Photoshop. So after minting, that 8,000 plus artwork will call NFTs. Okay, so see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this lecture I am going to tell you what is Metamask wallet. So you are looking to start an NFT collection. In order to actually store your collectibles, a wallet is necessary. Metamask is a cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. In simple terms, once you buy Ethereum, you can access it through Metamask and use it to purchase and store NFTs. So here you can see a word NFT collection. So what is collection? Collection is just like an online store. Okay, so when we collect lots of NFT, this is called a collection. So the second point is, now that you know what Metamask is, we will walk through a brief step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your wallet. So in further videos I will tell you how can we install or download or configure this Metamask wallet in our browser or in our collection. So let me show you the official website of Metamask. Let's go on our browser. So here is our browser, and here we can type metamask.io. So this is the official website of Metamask wallet. You can see here this button. We can download the Metamask wallet from this button, and we can configure in our browser and in our collection this Metamask from this website. Okay, so in further videos I will tell you how can we configure. So see you in next video. Hey, welcome back friends. So in this video I am going to tell you about what is a blockchain. So a blockchain is a distributed database that is shared among the nodes of a computer network. As a database, a blockchain stores information electronically in digital format. Blockchains are best known for their crucial role in cryptocurrency systems, such as Bitcoin, for maintaining a secure and decentralized records of transactions. The innovation with the blockchain is that it guarantees the fidelity and security of a record of data and generates trust without the need for a trusted third party. Or in other words, or in easy language, blockchain is a system of recording information in a way that makes it difficult or impossible to change, hack or cheat the system. Each block in the chain contains a number of transactions, and every time a new transaction occurs on the blockchain, a record of that transaction is added to every participant ledger. So I hope you got this, what is a blockchain. If you have any doubt, any question, you can ask me. So see you in next video.